Let's get started with practical number 3 of object-oriented programming with C++. In the first question, we have to use the concept of classes and objects to read students' roll number and name. After that, we have to display the same. I'm including header file first. As we have to use the concept of classes and objects, I'm defining a class named student using keyword class, curly braces, and semicolon. You have to remember that class definition ends with semicolon. Class can contain data members, also known as variables and member functions. I'm using public visibility label for the variables and functions in this class. Here we have 3 visibility options. First is public. In public, data is accessible anywhere within the program. Second is private. In private, data is not accessible outside the class. And third is protected. In protected, data is accessible only within the class and its derived classes. Declaring variables to store the roll number and name of the student. Now I will be writing a function to take input from the user. Now I will be writing another function to display the details. Now I will write the main function, from where our program starts its execution. We have to first create object of that class. To create the object, the syntax is class name space object name and semicolon. Now I'm going to call the functions declared in the class. To call that functions, the syntax is object name dot function name and semicolon. Now we can run the program and check the output. Yes, we are getting the details entered by student. I'm creating another object of the same class to show you how it works. Let's move to the next question. In this question, we have to create a structure for employee, which displays account number, name and balance of the employee. We have to also display the balance after deposit and withdraw. We can create a structure using struct keyword, structure name, curly braces and semicolon. I'm declaring some required variables and some functions to take input from the employee and display the details. I will create a function to take input for deposit amount. In the same function, I will also update the balance. Similarly, I will create another function for withdraw. After taking all inputs, I have to display the details to the employee. Now we can call the functions in main function. Let's run the program and check output. We will fix this line. It's showing all account details correctly. Let's move to the next question. In this question, we have to declare a class which has a static member function showcount that shows the total number of objects created of that class. I'm creating a class first. Declaring a static variable to store the count of objects. I'm creating a constructor here. Constructor is a special type of function which has no data type and also has the same name as the class. The constructor is automatically called whenever the object of a class is created. The initial value of a static variable is always 0. I'm incrementing it whenever the object is created and assigning this value to the variable num of each object. I'll be printing the number of that specific object using a function. As per the question, now we have to create a static function named showcount, which prints the count of objects created. Static variables needs to be declared outside the class also. This is done by using the syntax, class name, scope resolution operator, static variable name, semicolon. Now we will create objects of the class and call the functions inside main function. Static function can be called using class name also. If this video has helped you, please show your support by liking the video, share this knowledge with others and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.